Hi guys. So we're currently on Finchley Road. We're waiting for our bus to Stansted Airport, and from there, I think around 6 a.m. we'll be going to. From there, we'll be going to. We're going to Hamburg, Germany. Yeah. Let me show you around. It's so quiet. This is just the usual. So this is the new buggy we bought. It's completely collapsible and you could drag it just like the luggage. You can see the backpack. It's Europe, right? So it's backpack travel time. Don't mind me. And I'm sure you're looking at these bags. You're like, how do they travel light with kids? And I know. Well, it's very possible. I'll do a packing video for you guys. Like I said, this is Finchley Road. We're waiting for the National Express to come pick us up. The bus costs about £17 each. So these, can you see the luggage? We bought them. I think we got them from Primark. They're so tiny, and the backpacks from Amazon. It has so many compartments. I'll show you in my next video. But anyway, so we actually waited longer than expected, which is very, very much unlike the National Express. But no qualms, things like this happen. It will take us directly to Stansted. It was 2 a.m. so everybody was tired. Everybody wanted to sleep, so it was very quiet. And yeah, I didn't sleep properly, because I was with Hajia, my little daughter. She didn't sleep immediately. I had to put her to sleep. I don't know what I was saying here, but anyway, it's on my first time on National Express. Been there, done that, and yeah. Now, see you guys in Stansted. So yeah, there were a few stops, and Golders Green was part of them. I'm sure you remember from our last Euro tour. We were there. We took off from there. Anyway, at exactly 3:19, we arrived at Stansted, right on time. This is my first time in Stansted as well, but yeah, I was looking forward to it already. Check-in was quick, even though we didn't check in bags because like I said earlier, we're backpacking. We had backpacks, a buggy, and hand luggage, so we didn't have to check in anything. I know it's crazy. Anyway, we quickly located the lounge. It's called Escape Lounge. I'm going to show you what they have. My kids were already tired. I know it's the beginning of the trip, but I'm like, why did we have to bring these kids? Why? Anyway, let me show you what they have for brekkie, and then we'll do a toilet tour. You know, I'm not too big on brekkie, but it was okay. Zoga yogurt. Now it's time for the toilet tour. The toilet is really clean. Well done, Escape Lounge. Well done. And one good thing about Stansted Airport is that they have a prayer room. They even have a washroom, ablution room, which is perfect. Like, well done. So I quickly prayed. By the way, the prayer room isn't inside the lounge. It's just for the airport. for the entire airport. And the lounge, I think I would rate it 3.5 over 5 because I really liked it. It was good. But they do not have a lot of halal options. But we managed. After eating and praying, we decided to locate our gates because it was almost time for boarding. We did not realize the gate was very far. We were walking slowly initially, but later decided to run. But thank God we did not miss our flight, Sha. Anyway, we're going to be flying Ryanair, and I am going to be definitely reviewing Ryanair, guys. What else? And we're going to Lubeck. I think I told you guys Hamburg, but it's from Lubeck to Hamburg. Lubeck is in Germany. I am super excited for this one. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and